हाँ आ रहा हूँ. Okay. So guys, we are at the base village, that is Koknipada, and we have started our journey towards mountain. Small water stream in between our way. So I have to be very careful. So it's a muddy track. My friends went ahead. I am following them. So we are basically at a Sanjay Gandhi National Park, which is having an entrance from the Manpada region, or we can say that from the Koknipada region. So lockdown is going on, and my friend Ajay is very much excited to complete this trek. So we are basically 4 people are right now today. Remaining all are sleeping. They are a little bit lazy. So me, Manoj, then Ajay, our Lalan bhai, and last but not the least, Vishal bhai. So this is one some information center is there, but now as of now is closed. And my friend Lalan bhai is saying that all this will be in a museum only if we not take care, we are not going to taking care of nature and all. Ajay is doing backwalk.
This is a historical place.
Okay.
Since 1947.
Oh my god.
And look at this nature.
And here is one information board which is about rusty spotted cat, that is Waghati. This is a hole of a small crab. It went inside, so sorry we can't see now. So guys, you can see the crab. It's moving. Actually we are in his home, so we are not going to creating any problem to him.
And he ran away.
Wow. Lalan bhai's English is better than mine. So we are going through this way. So no ticket through this way. Actually there is one signboard mentioning about Pangara, that is Indian coral tree. Scientific name is Erythrina variegata. So these are some trees planted by forest department. People are coming here for exercise, morning walk. Hello man, would you like to say something about these trees and all?
This called is Chameli.
Chameli, okay. Do you have any information about trees?
Okay.
Little bit, okay. And wow, look at this grass.
You watching
It's
on paper.
nice stuff.
We lost our way.
Oh, I think we are lost. So we will be searching again. What happened? Lalan bhai had seen something. Snail. Okay. Snail. Snail is good at forest, but not at farm.
Let me check.
So we have to check which way we have to go. We have lost in this forest. So forest is quite dense, so we have lost our way. So people are throwing bottles and all. They are bullshit people. So finally we have managed to find our route. Sometimes I think creature is nature,
Nature is
or nature is creature.
our property. Please don't touch
Okay. Small water flow. What do you call it in English? Spring. Wow. Very beautiful place. One small landslide is happened over here. So guys, if you are coming here, be careful. So we have to be very careful. So what happens basically in this rainy season, if the soil's capability of absorbing water overflows, so the rocks and all that bonding breaks down, and suddenly all in a flash of second landsliding happens. So basically it's a natural thing, but if man's shelter or houses are if near the base of that what do we call it, mountain, so that can cause in very disaster. So Lalan man has found something. What is it, man? What is it, man? What happened? Oh my god, what is this creature? So Lalan bhai is telling that don't touch it, or there will be itching on your hands and body. Oh, and here is some water flow, underground water flow. Lalan bhai. Oh. So now crowd is coming here, so I can't talk much in front of crowd. Run, 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 run.
ऐसा
Look at this beauty. So Lalan bhai, would you like to say something about this beauty?
nature is the nature.
Okay. Lalan bhai, please, few words for our audience.
Look at this side. People are coming and watching this beauty. And this is a mountain.
So our destination is that there. Guys, so beautiful place is this, and what people are doing with this, throwing bottles, garbage and etc. So they don't deserve this nature. They are real animals with brain. So muddy track, we have to be very careful here. Butterflies are flying everywhere. Here is a nice one, people tree came. Somebody might have planted nice flowers.
different types of flowers.
What is this? Nothing. This is just.
इसको मैं लगाऊंगा.
Okay. Oh, nice tree plantation has occurred here.
And
Lost in fog.
इसमें डाल दो. फल दिखता है तो खा के दिखा दो पब्लिक में.
Oh, Ajay bhai is doing something good.
Good job. That.
So Lalan bhai, please share your some memories of your childhood over here. What we forest people had done with you. Oh, water. Hello Lalan bhai, please tell your childhood memory. What happened during that day?
9th में हम लोग बंक करके आए थे यहाँ पे.
Okay, Lalan bhai is saying that during 9th he has bunked the classes and came here.
Year of 1998 yeah, or 1999.
In the year somehow 1990 and what? 1998?
98 or 1999.
1998 or 1999. He came here by bunking his classes.
7 जन थे हम लोग.
They were 7 people.
उन्होंने बंक किया.
They bunked the class, came here.
बोले चलो जाएंगे तालाब नहाने के लिए.
Okay, they came here for bath. Wow. So, if you people have seen our summer video, this was very dry pot. So now today, this is fully filled. So Lalan bhai, what happened next?
बताता ना कंटिन्यू करता ना आगे.
He is continuing taking selfie. So you have to wait. Our next photographer Vishal. What happened?
यहाँ पे इनका भाई डूब रहा था वो कॉर्नर में.
Oh, Ajay's brother was.
इधर तक नहीं था ना. ऐसा था पूरा. ये बात पूरा ये हो गया. और यहाँ से ये प्लेस दिखता ना.
हाँ.
यहाँ से वहाँ से जंप करने का नीचे.
कौन जम करने?
हम लोग.
हाँ क्या? ओ.
वो ऊपर से यहाँ से वो कॉर्नर से जंप करने का.
Oh my God.
और ये अभी और अंदर डीप था ये. अभी वो मट्टी 1999.
So Lalan bhai is telling that during 1990s,
अभी कितना
1998
हो गया.
he used to take jump from that height to this point.
हरिओम.
Hariom.
हाँ.
So look at this ankle.
मामा.
At this age also he is
हरिओम.
doing trekking. So inspirational to youth.
अभी कोई आएगा ना.
हाँ. So guys, this is the border between nature and urban life. So there are two lives. That is the urban life. This is nature life. Small tiger.
मैं क्या बोलूँ. चैलेंज कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ.
उसने एक टाइम में अपना चालू किया.
So we are in between the small path, footpath, in the midst of the forest, dense forest. So guys, for hearing the view, I will go ahead so that you can see the trees.
A few minutes you will watch real beauty
Okay.
of nature.
So Lalan bhai is saying that within a few minutes we will be on the top of this mountain, this Tikujini Wadi.
संजय गांधी राष्ट्रीय उद्यान. बोलेंगे ऐसा. बोलेंगे से समथिंग. हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल है और क्या कहें. आज हम लोग ओपिनियन ले रहे हैं लोगों की. करते हैं ना क्या हुआ.
हाँ.
थोड़ा वीडियो डालेंगे ना उसमें.
So Lalan bhai is giving idea that we must take some audience bite.
तो सेल्फी भी लेंगे साथ में.
So guys, these are the all tall buildings, and that that is Kolshet Khadi, right? Na, am I right?
Huh?
That is Kolshet Khadi, no?
देयर इज अ पार्ट इन क्या बोलते हैं सम पार्ट इज गायमुख
Okay.
सम पार्ट इज कोलशेत
Okay. Finally, the moment came for which we have been eating. We are at the top of the plateau. Oh my God! Look at the crowd. Oh my God!
काय खाते
ललन भाई.
तुला बिस्किट दिलं
फिर मस्त नहीं है हाँ ये दिखा दिखाओ ना दिखाओ ऐसा बोल के दिखाओ
Okay.
हे
ललन भाई,
तुमचेच आहे.
you talk.
सॉरी
आणि हे आवळा आहे का रे छोटा 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 नाही का छोटा नाही
So this is the house of Adivasi, our Adivasi brothers, and that is Kolchet Creek. Creek. Our national flag. One our Aji is doing some agriculture work over there. So behind that we have seen that some local girls are selling some forest food like avla and some traditional vegetables. राजी काय करू सा
हे भात खातो ना
बी आहे भाताचं बी.
हां
अच्छा मी कुठे लावणार कुठे.
इथे
अच्छा so Aji is telling that she is taking seeds for तांदूल को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में राइस and she is going to plant over here in this plot. Basically this is a rainy season for agriculture they are doing.
रेडी का पोजीशन में आ जा दिखाते
Hey, oh my God, Ajay is also helping, trying to help them. Oh Ajay with Koita bhai.
हिंदी मराठी
Lalan bhai going to commentary in the Hindi. So
यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं इस तरफ ये फसल है जो अभी मतलब लगाने के लिए तैयार हो रही है और ये यहाँ पे लग चुका है
लग चुका है.
चावल की खेती जिसको आप बोलते हैं सबके गांव में होती है
होती है.
हम नए कुछ नहीं बता रहे
हमने-
फिर भी एक
हे बासमती राईस आहे बासमती राईस
बासमती आहे.
और आपको हमारे चैनल पे पता चलेगा कि ये बारिश में होता है खाली नहीं तो आप
आजी हा कुठला भात आहे हो आजी सुंदर ते काय बोलतात ते वाडा कोलम नाही लावत तुम्ही हा काय भिवंडीला कुठेतरी भेटतं वाटतं ते हा चांगला असतो काय तुम्ही विकता की स्वतःपुरतं खायापुरतं हा अच्छा सो आजी इज टेलिंग दॅट दे आर प्लांटिंग फॉर जस्ट फॉर देअर सर्वायवल नॉट फॉर सेलिंग पर्पज.
और ये भी आपको बता दूं कि पहले इसको आपको निकालना होता है फिर मट्टी निकालनी होती है फिर इसको बांधते हैं
ओके
ऐसे जैसा आप वहाँ दिख रहा है ना
हाँ हाँ
फिर इसको चुन चुन के हाथों से लगाया जाता है
ओह
इसके लिए-
वेरी
हाँ।
वेरी आर्टिस्टिक वर्क है.
खाने में आपको आसान लगता है
हाँ
उतना ही मुश्किल इसकी खेती है
so Lalan bhai is telling that is very easy to eat but very difficult to grow.
और आप जब भी खाए नेचुरल खाए आप पॉलिश वाला चावल ना खाए एकदम शाइनी करता है आपको लगता है कि 100 रुपये बिकता है आप बोले
Okay.
देशी खाए और यहाँ से ऐसे लोगों जो हमारे फार्मर्स हैं इनसे ले
Okay.
आपकी हेल्थ भी रहेगी
Right. So breed is Sundar. This rice breed is Sundar. Named as Sundar.
सुंदर है भी और सुंदर
So
नाम
he is not going to sell it, so we can't take it.
सुंदर नाम भी और सुंदर है भी
So Lalan bhai is telling that the name is also Sundar and it is looking also Sundar. That was tur. This is Udid, and next is Bhindi. So Lalan bhai, this is Bhindi, no?
यस यस भिंडी एंड दिस इज
Gauran Bhindi. Tur da.
और दिस इज
No, that is Udid. That is tur. That one is tur. This is Udid, and this is Bhindi. Gauran Bhindi.
these are local people are growing this
So basically, our Adivasi brothers and sisters are doing agriculture work during this rainy season only, so that they can earn their livelihood and survive through whole 1 year.
ये बोलता हूँ, आप जहाँ भी जाए नेचर प्लेस पे आप कुछ भी खाए कुछ भी पिए, प्लीज़ आपकी प्लास्टिक की बैग, थैलियाँ, बॉटल्स कैरी करके वापस उसे डस्टबिन में डालें.
So
किसी चीज़ को नुकसान न पहुँचे, नेचर का आनंद लें.
देखिए, what a great message given by Lalan bhai.
फ्यूचर में फिर आपको इस चीज़ का मज़ा नहीं मिलेगा, और जो हम करेंगे वही हमारे बच्चे सीखेंगे.
Right. So Lalan bhai is basically saying that live the nature as it is.
रिस्पेक्ट करो उसकी, क्योंकि यहाँ से हमको सब मिलता है. खाना पानी, ये गंदा करोगे तो फिर हमको भी गंदा चीज़ मिलेगा.
Right. There is a bathtub, small swimming pool in nature.
सो जाते क्या तेरा?
So Vishal bhai mistakenly said some bad words, so don't listen to that.
टाइगर पॉइंट जाने वाले.
अरे अभी ये बीच में रास्ते
Basically, we are shooting this in English because I want to make some funny video. So that's why I am doing this. Oh, so butterfly. Whoa, tiger, man! Who is this? Who is this? Suddenly, one Mowgli came here. Look at his beautiful flowers.
जलप्रवाह पावितस्तरे कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्गमट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनादमट्टमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिं तनर्जरी विलोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि जगज्जगज्ज्वलल्ललाटकट्टप्रावकै किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रदक्षिणम्
It's a Adivasi house. It's a door, gate. Sorry, gate. It's gate. Tulsi. Door. They have planted many trees over here. It's a banana tree. And this is a what do you call it as kaju tree. This is kaju tree.
आंवला खाते चलते क्या? हाँ, आंवला खाते चलते. इधर ही से. चल.
And finally we have reached at the Dabdaba's place. I don't know exact word for the Dabdaba in English. Sunday, today is Sunday, so whole crowd came here for enjoyment. And this place is very near from the city area.
बड़ा कर दिया इधर. आओ किधर अपना दूसरे इसके अंदर भी फूल है ये नहीं इसके अंदर भी इधर तक पानी है
कमर की इधर।
हाँ वो मैं नहाऊंगा ना इधर बैठ के
Check it out. Check it
एक्शन। खत्म करो जल्दी।
ऐसा एंजॉयमेंट हो गया
रेडी once more चल मैं वो बचपन वाला प्यार once more
जाने मेरी जाने मन बचपन का प्यार मेरा तू नहीं जाना रे ऐसा तेरा प्यार है तेरा बेकरार है ऐसा तेरा प्यार तेरा इंतजार है अरे ढगाला लागली खड पाणी थेंब 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 पाणी थेंब 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 अरे चल ग पारू गाऊया गाऊ फिरूया पाखरा संगी अरे तुझा आणि माझं जुळ पाणी थेंब 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 पाणी थेंब 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 या!
और घोष तपस्वी अजय महाराज।
फटाक से भाई फटाक से नंबर मेरा भी लगा है
चाबी आपके जेब में डालो। अजय महाराज तपस्या करते हुए 12 साल
हो गया?
12 दिन हो गए।
हो गया फोटो
हाँ,
और ले लो
और यहाँ पे दूसरे महाराज लल्लन महाराज 12 साल 12 दिन 12 घंटा हो गए उनका तपस्या का, घोर तपस्या। 12 अप्सरा आ चुकी थी फिर भी तपस्या भंग नहीं हुई। विशाल महाराज 12 साल 12 महीने से तपस्या कर रहे हैं और टोपी पहन के तपस्या कर रहे हैं। आदिदास का टोपी पहना था, अब तक वो टोपी वैसे ही है, पूरा धूप बारिश सब झेला इस टोपी ने, अभी भी टोपी बरकरार है। Mahakal. Okay, so guys, we have taken some odd way. So very survival in the wild. It's a very risky path. Don't touch. There are spikes on this route. These branches. Jagadamba. Very slippery track. All rock base is very slippery.